Taylor with Agri Spray Drones. Today we're taking the J70. We're spraying that levee right there. Now levees, fence lines, waterways, anything to spray one pass or two pass, making a field boundary doesn't make a lot of sense. So manual plus or manual is usually how you do that. I'm going to show you guys how you can fly it manually once and then fly it autonomously using the custom route mode on a J70, J100, or J150. So first, it starts with a manual flight. We've got water in the tank right now. We're going to lift off. We're going to go into manual mode. And we're going to spray the levee manually. Now to do manual mode, go over manual, we set our route spacing, our speed, and our height, just like we normally do. So we'll do 25-foot route spacing, 500 microns, 3 gallons per acre, 32 feet per second, and 10 feet high. Check mark our manual. We hit start, confirm that loads all that data to the drone. Then now it says we have manual control. So I'll put my camera back up. I'm going to take off manually. So I'm flying the drone right now. We're going to give her that levee, and then it's going to do all of the automation on our spray system, our speed, and our height. But I'm in charge of where it flies and how it flies. So we use our camera, line it up with the levee. We're going to do 2 passes, one on the right, one on the left. We hit start. It's going to lower down to our 10 feet height. Then we just fly forward. This is full stick forward. And it's going to limit its speed about that 32 feet per second. You can watch our flow on the bottom there where it says 3 gallon rate. There we go. 3 gallon per minute rate. So it's maxing our speed out and it's controlling the flow. We'll get down to where we want to stop spraying. Now our flow shuts off. We're going to turn around and fly the other side of the levee. Anytime we fly forward, it's going to start spraying. There you can see our flow rate picks up again. And it's tracking everywhere that we spray in our mini map on the bottom. Now you might notice our mini map is all black. That's because we don't have any internet out here, so we have no Google Maps satellite imagery. So we're flying completely offline right now. That's okay because we don't have to be online to still mark out our flight path. All right, that was a down and a back spray. Shuts the sprayer off. I'm gonna press end. It's gonna stop spraying. I'll bring it back down and land it. If we pull up our mini map, we can see we have our spray lines right there. So everything in red is what we sprayed, and then everything in purple right there is where we flew, but we did not spray. So we're gonna X out of this, confirm, it's gonna save those lines for us. Now here's the cool part. If we go back into auto, those lines stay on our screen. We have no internet, we have no satellite imagery, we still have our spray lines. Now we can come in here and we can make a new, actually I might have a field made already. If I go back, go to fields, there we go. I actually already have a field boundary around that area. So we can just select that boundary, come over here to hand draw, make a new route. We'll call this route levee. Hit confirm. Then now using my crosshairs, I can drop points everywhere that I flew. So where I turned, I'll make a point. I'll straighten out that line right there. Let's go to the edge. And then we'll straighten this one out all the way back to here. And then we stop spraying right there. If you don't want to spray any of these lines right here, we can tap on it, switch to spray off. Now it's not going to spray from that point to that point. We hit save, back, select our levee field. We can even get rid of our flight paths by clicking that button. And we hit operate. There's our lines. So the same thing, 500 microns, 32 feet per second, 10 feet high, 3 gallons per acre. We'll do entry speed, cranked up, entry height, Same thing on the way back. And we can even do safety points if you want to route in and out in a safe way, but we'll just leave it where we want. Here's our levee flight path. Hit confirm, hit start. Swipe right. Now it's going to spray everything that we already sprayed, only fully autonomous. I'm going to actually take over manually here and route around our trailer. Flip back into auto. Fully autonomous flight on the exact same flight path that we flew manually. Dropping down to 10 feet. There's spraying. Hands free. And it's turning at each one of these points that we set. Our rate, our height, our speed, everything staying accurate. So if you're spraying a fence row, a levee, a waterway, anything you're spraying where you want to spray it multiple times throughout the year or even once per year, you can set these flight paths on the remote or on the computer. It's all hands-free. All right, guys, let's know any questions. Thanks.